Hi guys, welcome to HDR. This is Prajit. Today we will see what is color coding of resistors, how to read it, its types and features. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to HDR, please subscribe, like our channel and share with your friends. So let's get started. Color coding of resistors. So we have seen those colored rings of different colors and different numbers over these resistors. Some resistors with 3 rings, some with 4, 5 and up to 6. So these colored rings are coding system to represent the value and specification of individual resistors. So what are these colors, these colored rings representing? These colors may represent significant figures, multiplier, tolerance and even the temperature coefficient. So significant figures. Significant figures defines the numerical value, that is the significant numbers of the resistance value being coded, and multiplier denotes the powers of 10 to be multiplied with the significant figures. Also we can say that the number of zeros following the significant figures is given by these multipliers. Next is tolerance. So tolerance is the rated deviation from the typical value. Temperature coefficient is the relative change of resistance per degree of temperature. That means if temperature changes for every particular degree of that change, certain amount of resistance also changes. So this temperature coefficient relates these two. So here we have an example, 25 mega ohm plus or minus 5%. So here the 25, 2 and 5 are the significant figures, followed by 10 raised to 6, that is 6 zeros. So 10 raised to 6 is the multiplier and this plus or minus 5% is the tolerance. That means the value of this resistor is between 25 mega ohm minus 5% to 25 mega ohm plus 5%. Here comes the chart of colors. So this particular chart shows the values of each colors at each point, and point means at each places. So for green, at the place of significant figures, green is given 5. When it comes to multiplier, green is 10 raised to 5, and again at the place of tolerance, green is plus or minus 0.5%, and at the place of temperature coefficient, green is 20 parts per million per Kelvin. So using this chart, we can read values and we can create color codes. So even though we know this color coding, there is a possibility that the beginner may not always remember the order of these colors. So to understand this color in an order, I have a shortcut. Here we have B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife. This sentence can be used to easily understand the order of, easily remember the order of the color coding. So here we have black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white. So from black to white we have 0 to 9. So to remember this, we can use this sentence. So as we said earlier, there may be resistors with 4 bands, 3 bands, 5 bands and 6 bands. So we are starting with the 4 band color coding. So in a 4 band color coding, the first band and the second band are for significant figures, while the third band is for multiplier and the fourth band is for tolerance. So we should keep in mind that there will always be a gap between the tolerance and the rest of the code. So this gap can be used to identify the correct position while reading a resistance code. So the 4 band color coding are used with resistors having significant figures of 2. For example, here we have 470 ohm, 820 ohm. So these all are having 2 significant figures and rest is 0. So here we have 12 kilo ohm. So 1 and 2 are the main significant figures and the later part is 0. That comes under multiplier. So 4 band color coding is generally used with resistance values of two significant figures. Here we have an example. You can see that this is a 4-band color coding. In a 4-band color coding, the first two are significant figures, the third one is the multiplier, and the last one is the tolerance. So the first two, red and violet, 2 and 7, so they are the significant figures, and the third one is multiplier, so we have taken 10 raised to 5. And for the last color, gold, we will get tolerance, that is plus or minus 5%. So these all values are taken from the color chart. Now when we read them all, we get 27 lakh ohm plus or minus 5%. So 2.7 mega ohm plus or minus 5%. That is the value of our resistor. So this plus or minus 5% means that the value of 27 lakh ohm resistor may varies from 27 lakh minus 5% of 27 lakh to 27 lakh plus 5% of 27 lakh. So the value of this particular resistor ranges between 25 lakh 65,000 ohms to 28 lakh 35,000 ohms. Next is the 5-band color coding. So in a 5-band color coding, the first, second and third bands are reserved for significant figures, while the fourth band is for multiplier, and after that we can have a gap, and the fifth band is for tolerance. So this 5-band coding is generally used when we have three significant figures. For example, here we have 473 mega ohm. So this 473 is, we cannot use 4-band color coding to express this. So we are using 5-band color coding. Here is a 5-band color coder resistor, and we have orange, green, black, red and gold. So as we know, in a 5-band color coding, the first three strips or first three rings represent significant figures. The fourth one represents multiplier, and the last one represents the tolerance. So here we have the first three, orange, green and black, that gives 3, 5 and 0 from the color chart. Fourth is multiplier, so we have red means 10 raised to 2, and at the end we have tolerance, that is gold, which is equal to plus or minus 5%. So hence we get that 35 kilo ohm plus or minus 5%. So the value of this resistor ranges between 35 kilo ohm minus 5% of 35 kilo ohm to 35 kilo ohm plus 5% of 35 kilo ohm. That is respectively 33,250 ohm to 36,750 ohms. Now here we have the 6-band color coding. The 6-band color coding is exactly same as the 5-band color coding. The only difference is that there is an extra ring that represents the temperature coefficient. So here also the first, second and the third bands are reserved for significant figures. The fourth band is for multiplier, the fifth band is for tolerance, and the sixth band for temperature coefficient of resistor. So this temperature coefficient is represented in parts per million per Kelvin. That means that how much parts of this resistor from a part of million will change if 1 Kelvin degree change in temperature is occurred. So here comes the color coding chart for 6-band color coding, including the temperature coefficient. So suppose in our resistor of 6-band color coding, we had red color at the end, that is at the position of temperature coefficient we had red color, and suppose our resistor was of 1 million ohms. So from this chart, red color specifies that for temperature coefficient, red color means there will be a change of 50 parts per million per Kelvin. Since our resistor is also of 1 million ohms, 1 Kelvin change in temperature will result in 50 parts per million change in resistance. So the change may be increase in resistance or decrease in resistance depending on the temperature coefficient. If the temperature coefficient is positive, then with increase in temperature the resistance increases. If the temperature coefficient is negative, then with increase in temperature, the resistance decreases. Here we have a quick comparison of 4-band, 5-band and 6-band color-coded resistors. So in a 4-band color-coded resistor, the first two represent significant figures, the third one represents multiplier, and the last one represents the tolerance. In a 5-band color-coded resistor, the first three rings are reserved for significant figures, and the fourth one is reserved for tolerance. Sorry, the fourth one is reserved for multiplier, and the last one is reserved for tolerance. Next is the 6-band color-coded resistor. In a 6-band resistor, also same as in 5-band, the first three are reserved for significant figures, the fourth one for multiplier, and the fifth one for tolerance. And there is an extra 6th band represents the temperature coefficient of resistor. So thank you for watching HGDR. If you haven't subscribed to HGDR, please subscribe and like our channel and share with your friends.